BJP has been used by the RSS.
KHADC Deputy Syiem and Syiem said that it will not be a right move if he decides to join the NPP, taking into account the present political scenario in the state. Talking to reporters today, Syiem said that any wrong political move is going to backfire since the people now are very aware of the political situation. The KHADC Deputy Syiem also said that the party leadership will deliberate on the feelings of party leaders that they should withdraw support from the NPP-led executive in the KHADC.
Ka objektif baru kata menitri langru kadai nam taka pos jongka interest jongki beriu jongi atrai kumbang perken mau beng sisin kajulong jongka sanjima sema perkat pedan sanjima sema kelak yang ini kepolisian ka bangi hapan long very alert bangi num le shongshit kanu ngin hap snap rangkat ya ka manjong pai ba ngido naga very crucial situation gibabon ki bill gibalong very crucial gibabon ki amendment ha sidil hangtai tingi ko bala kunu bani contribute lan ha isi ya ha bakadon ka nu ko jingong na gilen ki nu ko sam juga parti ya kata ngin sanang puli pria.
The Khasi Students Union KSU has urged